In this video, we'll show you what to do if your MSI laptop is plugged in but not charging. So to fix this, if your MSI laptop is already turned on, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, first expand batteries. Now here right click on the battery driver and then select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your MSI laptop and see if it works. If it does not, shut down your MSI laptop and then unplug everything. That includes the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your MSI laptop for 30 seconds. So this will effectively hard reset your MSI laptop. Now try plugging the charger back in and see if the MSI laptop charges. However, if nothing else works, there may be an issue with the charger itself. To verify, you can try using it to charge a different MSI laptop and see if it works. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.